Have you ever stood in a room full of people and felt completely alone? Did you ever want to say something, but the words just went away? Have you ever seen someone walk into a room and everyone smiles, everyone turns around, everyone wants to talk to them, and you think, how do they do that? I used to think that way too, but here is the truth. Talking to people is a skill, and like any skill, you can learn it, you can practice it, you can get better at it. In this video, you will learn 15 simple but powerful secrets of talking to people. Secrets based on real psychology, secrets that really work. And the best part? Every sentence in this video is written in simple and clear English. So while you learn how to talk to people, you practice your English at the same time. 2 skills, 1 video. Let's start. Secret 1. Do not smile too fast. Most people smile too quickly. It looks automatic. It looks fake. Try this instead. When you meet someone, look into their eyes first. Then smile slowly, naturally, warmly. This slow smile says, I am happy to see you specifically, and people feel this difference right away. Secret 2. Keep eye contact a little longer. Looking at someone is very important, but most people look away too fast. Next time someone talks to you, look at them just a little longer than usual. Do not be scared. Just stay in the moment. Focus. This tells them, I am completely focused on you. And people rarely get full attention from anyone. Secret 3. Turn your whole body. When someone comes to talk to you, turn your whole body to them. Not just your head, your shoulders, your feet, your whole body. It takes 2 seconds, but it sends a very clear message. You are important. I am here for you. Most people never do this, and that means when you do it, people will remember it. Secret 4. Stop moving so much. When you are nervous, people can see it. When you tap your fingers, shake your leg, or touch your hair all the time, people feel your anxiety. Try not to move a lot. Quiet hands, relaxed shoulders. A calm body. Calmness is a sign of confidence, and when you are confident, people trust you. Secret 5. Listen to feelings, not just words. Imagine your friend says, I am so tired lately. A normal answer is, yeah, me too. A better answer is, that sounds really hard. Are you okay? Do you see the difference? The second answer hears the emotion, not just the information. When you answer someone's feelings, they feel that you really understand them. And that is one of the best gifts you can give. Secret 6. Use their name, but do it right. A person's name is music to their ears. But do not say it too often, it will sound strange. Use it once at the start, maybe once in the middle. Say it slowly. Say it warmly. It is very nice to meet you, Marcus. 1 sentence. But Marcus will remember you because you remembered him. Secret 7. Pause before you answer. Someone asks you a question. What do most people do? They answer immediately, fast, nervous, sometimes without even thinking. Try something else. Take 1 breath. Wait for 2 seconds, then answer. This pause makes you look calm, deep, confined. People trust those who think first and speak second. Secret 8. Ask questions that open doors. Did you have a good weekend? This question is easy to forget. What did you like most about your weekend? This question starts a real conversation. Open questions start with what, how, why, or tell me about. They give people space to share. And when people share, they connect. Secret 9. Match their energy first, then calm them down. If someone is excited, smile, show kindness, show interest. If someone is nervous, do not match their stress. Stay calm. Speak slowly. You become a rock for them, a safe place. People naturally go to those who help them feel calm. Be that person. Secret 10. Put your phone away completely. This sounds simple, but almost nobody does it. When you are with someone, put your phone away. Not face down on the table, but away, in your pocket or bag. Your full presence is the most powerful thing you can give to another person. In a world full of distractions, your attention is a gift, a rare gift. Secret 11. Talk to the person they can become. Do not just look at people as they are right now. See their potential. Say things like, "You are better at this than you think," or "I can already see you doing great things." You are not lying. You see them in the best light, and you say it out loud. People do well when someone believes in them. Be that person. Secret 12. Give compliments to their inside, not their outside. Nice shoes. People forget this in 5 minutes. You have a talent for making everyone feel welcome. They will remember this forever. Real compliments talk about character, about values, about who the person really is. These compliments do not just make people smile, they stay in the heart. Secret 13. Sometimes it is better to say nothing at all. When someone is in pain, we often panic. We want to fix it. We start talking. But sometimes the most powerful thing is silence. Sit with them. Be there. Let them feel that they are not alone. Your quiet presence can say more than 100 words. Secret 14. Walk in like you belong there. When you walk into a room, slow down, walk straight, look around calmly. Do not run to a corner. Do not look at the floor. Walk like people are waiting for you. Walk like you belong there, because you do. Your body speaks before you open your mouth. Make sure it says the right thing. Secret 15. Decide that they already like you. Before you start a conversation, tell yourself, "They already like me. I am just here to have a good time." This one thought changes everything. Your body relaxes. Your smile becomes real. Your voice becomes steady. And here is the magic. When you act like you are with friends, people believe you. Conclusion. Here is what I want you to remember. Talking to people is not about being clever. It is not about saying the right words at the perfect time. It is about making people feel heard, seen, safe, valued. And you can start doing this today, with one smile, with one pause, with one question, with one moment of real attention. You do not have to be perfect. You just have to be here. If this video helped you, if it made you think, feel, or want to try something new, please subscribe to the Simple English Stories channel. Because here, we learn English and grow as people at the same time. See you in the next video.